Hi, I'm Daneel Ballaram, Head of Manufacturing here at Baker Baynes, and I'm excited to welcome you to the November edition of our Manufacturing in the Loop newsletter. I recently returned from what I would call an amazing Autodesk University, Autodesk's annual user conference, where I was fortunate to be elected as a speaker to share my knowledge and insight. I'd like to extend a special invitation to manufacturing executives and CEOs to join us for an executive dinner in partnership with the South African Institute of Mechanical Engineers, or SAIMechE, on the 21st of November. This event offers an invaluable chance to network with industry leaders and gain insights from the recent Autodesk University that will keep you at the forefront of manufacturing innovation. Another exciting event in our calendar this year is our hands-on user event on the 29th of November, taking place at the Made in Workshop venue in Randburg. The event titled Autodesk Fusion, where innovation meets makers, is a celebration of creativity, technology, and innovation, where we look to showcase the incredible power of Autodesk Fusion and its extensions, with live demonstrations and designs coming to life. A major highlight will be the display of the winning design from our recent Autodesk Fusion Maker Design Competition. The deserved winner, Marina Johnson, a first-time Fusion user, designed a brilliant portable power station, which impressed the judges with its sleek aesthetics, practical layout, and functionality. We can't wait to showcase Marina's inspiring journey and her innovative design in Johannesburg. Click below to read more about her story and register to attend this exciting event. As we approach the end of the year, it's perfect time to elevate your skills with our CPD accredited training. Limited spots are available for our November courses, so take a moment to consider our upcoming courses and secure your place as soon as possible. In addition to our training, be sure to explore our extensive collection of valuable resources, including ebooks, guides, templates, and online courses, available at tools.bakerbaynes.com, and be sure to check out our latest resource, the 7 productivity enhancements with Fusion manufacturing extensions, which is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools to elevate your manufacturing design and streamline your workflows. And of course, it is free to download. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you at our events and training sessions. Until then, keep innovating.